Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just make a fake assignment real quick and show you. All right, so I'm doing an assignment. I'm going to do domain and range. All right, I go over here and I add our little fun pictures from the other day. Okay, here we go. Let's do, I'm totally just picking something. I don't even know if this is it. Like that. Okay, so I go and pick my assignment that I'm going to put on there. All right, go here and insert content. And you're going to click the link. Okay, then you've got to go up here and go to YouTube. I have all of mine on my YouTube page because look, it doesn't matter wherever I go, and if my computer crashes or if I change schools, I don't know. I'm just thinking of all kinds of stuff. But I have all of my videos downloaded here. So I would go and find my domain and range one. Here, we'll say this is it. Determining domain and range. And I always try to label what the video is that goes with that worksheet. Determining the domain and range of a graph. Okay. Now, this is where, if we use this link here, that's where Jefferson County says, no, don't use it. And like if we copy the video link, because of that little polka dot right there, the tu.be, that's where Jefferson County says no. But if I go over here and I say view on YouTube, okay, I get the video, but now look, I got to come up here, copy the URL, then I go back to my Schoology page and download it without the thing. And then I can say determining domain and range. And then I insert my link. And then I always kind of click here for video just so that they know. Like it really kind of stands out to them. I'm going to say due date is here. I might make this unpublished just since you and I are playing around with it. Okay. Create. Oh, category. It's a homework assignment. So when the kids get it, it's going to look like that. So then when they open it, click here for their video. They can go here for their assignment, and then they can go here for their video. I'm going to unpublish it because they're probably going to be like, what? Do I have homework? So, like, they'll click here. When they click on that, it sends it to the video. But then when they click here, it'll say, well, that's obviously, that was just I picked a fake assignment just to do it fast for you. Okay, I hope this helps. Please send me a message if it doesn't. Okay.